For those that experience slow hair growth, dandruff ridden scalp, visible scalp, extreme hair fall, postpartum shedding, crown section balding, name it, stunted growth, split ends, knots on the tips, your hair keeps knotting and you don't know what to do about it. Sis, that's the cause of your problem. If you have been finding it difficult to retain length, check your ends. But this recipe is going to help you retain length. I'm not even kidding. Today's recipe is going to help you with your split ends, all those knots that wouldn't help you to retain length. And if your hair has been stuck on thin hair length, this recipe is for you. Guys, God has blessed us with these wonderful ingredients, and I don't know why some people have a problem with all these natural ingredients. All the brands out there, all those fancy brands out there that people rave about, people think that they are the best. They use all these ingredients shared on this channel. Believe it or not, all these big brands out there, they don't want you to know that these products are what they use. Herbal ingredients are what they use to formulate their products. They don't want you to know. They just want to paint it aesthetically pleasing. They want it aesthetically pleasing just to deceive you so that you don't know that they use these herbal ingredients to make those products. So if your hair has been stuck on same hair length, you're bald, your hair find it difficult to retain length, you're finding it difficult to retain length basically, please watch this video. Today's video is for you. And before I forget, don't always forget to apply this product on your hair tips. That is, if you want your hair to grow longer in few months time, don't forget to apply this on your hair tips if possible every day or every other day. To begin, grab a bowl, make sure it is clean. My first ingredient is mango butter. You can use shea butter if that's what you want, whichever you want to use. We have mango butter, we have shea butter, we have cocoa butter. You can even combine the three, whichever you want. Just scoop out 2 tablespoons of that. Next ingredient is this blue magic. If you don't have this blue magic, you can use any other store-bought grease, or you can just not use it. Yeah. And then you can use maybe all those waxes, but I would prefer you use any grease. Now, rosemary oil in 1 tablespoon. Yes, get any rosemary oil from maybe all the shops that sells all these products. Now, next ingredient is rosemary leaves. Yes, you're going to use rosemary oil and rosemary leaves. Very important. So for the rosemary leaves, we are going to be using 3 tablespoons of that. Guys, rosemary is very, very potent. This is one herb that people don't speak about enough. So I blended everything and then I transferred it into the mango butter that I had in the bowl. Next, I'm going to set up a DIY double boiler method. Basically, place it in a hot bath, water bath, and then allow it to melt and infuse just about 15 minutes to 20 minutes. Stand by this. Do not go anywhere. Make sure to use something to bring this down just so it doesn't burn your fingers. Bring it down, allow it to cool a bit, then strain. You can use your cheesecloth, you can use anything you have, strainer, name it, to strain this. So once you're done straining, allow it on your tabletop. Some of you make the mistake of putting this in the refrigerator. You don't need to put it in the refrigerator to congeal. It is going to congeal on its own. So just leave it on your tabletop. You can add vitamin E oil for preservatives. I didn't show that in this video. That's going to help preserve this. Or you can just leave it because If you don't have that, you can add enough of the store-bought hair grease that can help preserve that for you, because that already have tocopherol in it. It can help, that is vitamin E in it. It can help you preserve the hair grease. So once you're done making this, apply this on your problem areas, probably on your scalp, on your bald areas. Give yourself a gentle massage. This is an excellent sealant. You guys know that I don't do whipped butter anymore. I'm not saying that whipped butter, they are not good. No, I'm not saying that. All I'm trying to say is that hair grease helps you keep moisture in your hair better than whipped butter. I don't know, maybe I'm going to research more on this and tell you why that is so. But for now, know that hair grease, this particular product, is an excellent sealant. If you're looking for something to help you retain moisture, to seal in moisture in your hair, I think you should gravitate towards stuff like this, hair grease like this. You can make yours at home and use it on your scalp, use it on your hair, and don't forget your hair tips. Apply it on your hair tips. It's going to help you a lot to retain moisture, to retain your hair length. Don't always leave your hair tips dry. All right, don't always leave it dry, because the more you leave them dry, the more they split, the more they knot. So don't always expose them. If you know me too well, or if you have ever seen me or bumped into me in the public places, you know that I keep to this. You can barely see my tips, and that's very important. If you keep exposing your tips, your hair tips, you're going to have issues with your hair. Yeah, don't always expose your hair tips. Always tuck them in, because the more they are exposed on the environment, they keep on drying and they keep on splitting and knotting, and I'm sure you don't want that for your hair. So that's basically it for this recipe. Let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section. If you have more questions for me, please ask away. Apply this on your tips, especially if you want to retain length. If you're the type who have not been retaining length, always apply this on your tips every day or every other day. That is if you want to retain length. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, share on your groups. If you have anyone who needs this, share this to them, and see you soon.